Hey guys, join along as my boyfriend and I bake a cake for my 22nd birthday. So I chose a red velvet cake with cream cheese frosting because that's my favorite. We ended up just having something small, but here you can see Anthony forgot to add the water and he was like, why is the consistency so thick? And then when he finally did add the water, I was like, I'm not sure if that's even gonna mix. He was splashing it all over himself, so I took over to finish mixing it and it ended up turning out really great. Originally, Anthony wanted to bake the cake all by himself, but he had never actually done that before, so I decided to help him out a little bit. And you saw that we decided to make a 2-tier cake, except the 2 circle pans were different sizes. We popped it in the oven for about 25 minutes. It was all ready. We took it out of the oven, and while we waited for it to cool down, we ordered some chicken wings for dinner, and then we also ran around a Fortnite because lately I've been obsessed with that. Once we finished that, we got back to baking our cake. I told him the trick of cutting the tops so that it became more flat, and then we added our frosting, although I think we should have gotten another tub of frosting, but that's alright. We sprinkled on some sprinkles, and I did the handwriting because we figured mine would look better. He added in all of the candles, which turned out really cute. We lit the candles and then he sung happy birthday to me. I made my wish and then blew out the candles in a really cool pattern, and then we ended the night with some party poppers. Thank you to everyone who wished me a happy birthday. I love you all.